How to record Facebook Messenger calls. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I'll show you on how to record Facebook Messenger calls easily. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, you simply need to open Messenger. Open any particular conversation and tap on the call icon at top right corner and start the call. And after that, you can easily install third-party application for recording, or you can even use the built-in recording application. So you can easily swipe from top to the bottom of your screen and then bring this quick setting panel. Here you can easily find out the screen recording, select that and you can easily record the call. First of all, you need to access or allow audio calls on Messenger. Once you have granted permission, you can easily record the call. Or you can even download Record Messenger Call application and then set up the application and the app will automatically record the call. After the call, open Record Messenger Calls to find your saved recording. That's it. You can easily record your Messenger call with the built-in recording application or you can download the other application. So that's all for today. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.